How much time have you spent the past 12 months watching videos, reading blog posts, listening to podcasts, attending webinars, participating at live in-person industry events with a goal of hoping to learn the path to success in the online world? There's no doubt you could spend your every waking hour listening and watching others to learn what they suggest you should do to be super successful, rich and famous, or so they say. No doubt there is value in saving time and improving results by learning from others who have already been down the path you are wanting to succeed at. Here's the challenge though, we all have a different path. We all have different goals, objectives, customers, audience, strengths and weaknesses. Learning from experts in your industry can be extremely helpful. However, particularly when it comes to social media and digital marketing, it is very easy to quickly fall into a rabbit hole or wild social media goose chase where you wind up chasing some shiny new social object that could drive you to wasted days, weeks or even months of your time. While it may be tempting to sit all day and listen, watch and engage with the self-proclaimed social media gurus, as they are also often the loudest, this may not be the smartest approach. In the web marketing world you can find some airy-fairy theory about what should work. That's the kind of rubbish you can read in any one of 1,000 marketing books sitting on the shelves of Barnes & Noble. The fact is, most of those authors have never sold anything online except copies of their book on Amazon. Here's my first piece of advice: don't listen to advice from someone who hasn't been there and done it themselves. This is absolutely crucial. If you look around the web or in your local bookstore, you're going to find a ton of hype about how you can become a millionaire with nothing more than a keyboard and a mouse. There are people out there who will say you can get rich with no effort, no work and no investment. There are even some who will try to sell you pyramid schemes, get rich quick plans and every other kind of scam you can imagine. And people actually buy them. At the first sign of a chance to pick up fast cash, people whip out their wallets and give away their life savings. You're smarter than that, right? But it's not just the straightforward frauds you have to watch out for. The internet changes almost every day. Unless someone is actually earning their living online day in and day out, by the time they've finished explaining how to make money on the internet, chances are their advice is out of date. Like I said, it can't be easy when getting started. But like any successful businessman, you can ditch what didn't work and did more of what did. The same thing goes for most of the content you will find in the digital and social space. It's often one-off content. It's how to do this or what you shouldn't and should do. There is definitely not a lack of advice out there. The key to success is to develop your strategies, plans and tactics is that you must first focus on your own goals and objectives. You must know your audience. You must know how you can position yourself in a unique way to stand out from the noise. Thanks for watching.